this last video, we are going to see human evolution. The biodiversity that is known today has been said to be formed from very simple unicellular organisms due to evolution. In this evolution, origin of human evolution can be shown as per the picture which is given below. That picture we will see after this particular explanation. So let us first of all see the explanation. Last dinosaurs disappeared from the earth approximately 7 crore years ago. At that time when dinosaurs were disappeared, monkey-like animals are said to be evolved. They are said to be evolved from some ancestors who were more or less similar to modern lemurs. Now, what is the meaning of lemur? Lemur or ape, both are nothing but uncivilized, primitive human. Tale of these monkey-like animals of Africa, they were in Africa, is said to be disappeared about 4 crore years ago. They, means those monkey-like animals, developed due to enlargement in brain, means their brain gets enlarged. Their hands were also improved. So improvement was also seen in their hands, and thus, as I told you, ape-like means lemur-like. Ape-like animals were evolved. Meanwhile, these ape-like animals reached from South Africa to North and Southeast Asia, and then finally evolved into gibbon and orangutan. Gibbon and orangutan, these are two types of monkeys which are found in South or Northeast Asia. Remaining ape-like animals who stayed in Africa, and from those ape-like animals, gorilla and chimpanzee evolved about 2.5 crore years ago. Evolution of some of the 2 crore year old species of apes seems to be occurred in different ways. They had to use their hands. They used their hands for eating and also for other work. Now we are going to see that particular chart or that particular picture. So here we are with that particular chart or the picture of ancient ape-like animals or lemurs. Around 7 crore years ago, ancient animals like lemurs were found, and they were shown in this particular diagram. Then about 4 crore years ago, Egyptio or Egyptopithecus, these animals were found 4 crore years ago. Dryopithecus around 2.5 crore years ago. Ramapithecus around 1 crore years ago. Then we have some more ape-like animals, and they are Australopithecus about 40 lakh years ago. Then skilled humans whose brain was little enlarged and well developed one was also found around 20 lakh years ago. Then human with erect posture म्हणजे सरळ उभं राहण्याची त्याची पद्धत. So human with erect posture was also found around 1.5 lakh years ago. Neanderthal animal or Neanderthal humans, they were found around 1.5 lakh years ago. Cro-Magnon were found around 50,000 years ago. So this was the journey of human evolution. In this particular picture, you can see the development of human brain from ancient ape-like animals to modern human. Look at the development of brain from ancient ape-like human to modern human. Evolution of upright man means standing in an erect posture continued in the direction of developing its brain for a period of about 1 lakh year, and meanwhile it discovered the fire. So these humans discovered the fire. Brain of 50,000 year old man had been sufficiently evolved to the extent that it could be considered as member of the class wise man. Wise man, in science they are also called as Homo sapiens. Neanderthal man can be considered as the first example of wise man. Since then, the Cro-Magnon man evolved about 50,000 years ago, and afterwards this evolution had been faster than the earlier. Now, about 10,000 years ago, these wise men or this particular wise man started to practice the agriculture. म्हणजे त्यांनी शेतीला सुरुवात केली. कोणी? या वाईज मॅननी. It started to rear the cattle herds and established the cities. त्यांनी जनावरं पाळण्याला सुरुवात केली आणि वेगवेगळ्या शहरांमध्ये किंवा वेगळ्या वस्ती करून ती लोक राहायला लागली. Cultural development took place. Art of writing was invented. Art of writing. So these Homo sapiens started writing about 5,000 years ago, and thus the history had been started. Modern science emerged about 400 years ago, and industrial society was established about 200 years ago, and now we have reached at this particular age, and still we are searching the details of roots of human ancestry.